Hello everyone, it's me again. Our topic for today is about hotel booking engine. Paano ba kayo kumikita sa ganitong business kung meron kayong ganitong klaseng business? Kadalasan po kasi is discount per transaction lang po tayo. So, paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo meron akong alam na ganitong klase ng business na 4 ways to earn ang kitaan? Interesado ba kayo? If interesado kayo, watch this video until the end.
Proud world, get it done. Impossible is nothing.
LifeTRNDS offers travel services around the globe such as hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacation rentals on discounted rates. LifeTRNDS is one of the platform inside C-Store of ICT. Sino nga ba si ICT or Impact Crowd Technology? He is the one who connects to third-party companies para mapaloob sa kanyang platform which is called C-Store. So, how to access LifeTRNDS? Ma-access mo si LifeTRNDS once you avail education package offered by ICT. We have 4 packages you can choose from. Once you sign up, you're automatically a lifetime member of ICT. So, nag-join ka. So, what's next? Syempre, kitaan, di ba? At sa LifeTRNDS, 4 ways to earn tayo. 1. Get unique discounts on your bookings up to 50% to 70%. Second way is referral bonus. Kapag nakapag-refer ka ng 2 tao na gusto rin magkaroon ng travel booking engine, ay bibigyan ka ni ICT ng 18 euro. Kaya sa business na to, the more you refer, the more you earn. Third way to earn is 15% on referrals total income. So, paano po ito? Yung taong ni-refer mo, kumita siya sa business niya. 15% nun, i-compute ni company at yun ang gagawin niyang bonus para sa'yo. And last, our 4th ways to earn is profit sharing. Since we are a member of ICT, the company gives back a little portion of what he earned. Every week, may binibigay siya na C1 reward points sa atin at iniipon po ito. At sa points na ito, magbe-base ang magiging profit sharing mo sa company. Bigyan ko na rin po kayo ng idea kung paano po kumikita si ICT sa mga platforms inside his C-Store. Every month, ang mga companies na to like LifeTRNDS ay nagbibigay ng 20% of their income sa ICT. And then si ICT, sa total na kinita niya, 40% nun, ibabalik niya sa mga members niya.
At ito po ang tinatawag na profit sharing ng company. There you have it, our 4 ways to earn in LifeTRNDS. Kung may questions pa po kayo at may gusto pa po kayo malaman regarding this kind of business, leave a comment below. And if you think bagay sa personality ninyo ang business na to, talk to the person who sent this video to you, or kung napanood nyo lang tong video ko, click the sign up link inside my description box at ako ang magiging mentor ninyo sa business na to. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel para updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko po. At ang next topic po natin is abangan nyo po dahil regarding pa rin po ito sa business natin na to na kung mas maaga nyo siyang gagawin, balik agad ang puhunan ninyo. So stay tuned, stay safe everyone. Bye!